Hearing the sound of the ocean a calm day when the waves comes in calmly towards my feet. The sky is red, the weather is frosty when the sun and the ocean are about to meet. Red is the color of love and sadness, the color of intimacy and emptiness. Sitting down on smooth and grey sand, I beg nothing from this calm sunset. Just want a lot of love and a fruitful end. At my right, I saw this adorable girl resting her chin on her knees, someone who recently joined to watch this sunset. She looks beautiful when she flicks her hair behind her ears, wearing those milky white dress. White, the color of hope and goodness. I smile. I think her dilated eye behind the specs had all the madness of new love. The part of me saying, don't look at her, she is just an illusion of your thoughts. The other part of me saying, she is the only one who can erase your dark spots. Finally, the sun and the ocean met each other. The color sky turned into ocean blue. One love complete, I thought. The other one still sitting on my right side, playing with her golden bracelet, wearing those shiny black shoe. In life, I was too used to many heartbreaks. This parallel distance between us, I feel I am at wrong place. We both are under the same sky, surrounded by stars and little fireflies. We both watching people celebrating love with rose in their hand. Some making promises, some trying their luck with full of lies. Even I wanted to celebrate this special day by holding her in my arms till morning sunlight. Maybe I'm just lost in love with this girl and this romantic night. But for me, excitement never works, and if it's about love, it's like pain which always hurts. In the end, it's about rejection and acceptance. In past, I have good relation with rejection, and that's why I'm not ready to say her at least a hello. Every part of my body wanted to express my feeling before she left, but I prefer just to keep quiet and let her go.